Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, let me tell you how a change of status works. A change of status can be filed anytime until the day before the expiration. Now, that means that immigration has to receive it before it actually expires. So, for example, if your J1 expired yesterday, that would mean that 2 days ago, immigration would have had to have received the change of status application. That means that now, since it has already expired, you can no longer file a change of status or an extension of status. It's too late. That it won't be, it'll be accepted, but it'll be denied. So what you're going to have to do is, of course, leave the country and come back on another type of visa or another J1. Now, I don't even know if the J1 that you have, whether it has a 2-year foreign residency requirement. So even if you could do a change of status, if the J1 has the 2-year foreign residency requirement, you're not going to be able to do that unless you get a J waiver. And you'll know if you're subject to that. Look in the passport, and many times it'll say subject to 212E, or it'll say not subject to 212E. If it doesn't say anything, there's still ways of finding out, but it's a little more difficult. It also depends what you're doing. I don't know if you're here on a medical J1, a trainee J1, an intern J1. There's all kinds of J1s. But the purpose, of course, is that you gain the knowledge, experience, and learning in the U.S., and then you bring it back to help your home country. That's why in some respects it's easier to get a J1 than other visas, because it's harder to stay here and change your status. So if you're not subject to the 2-year, which not all J1s are, you can go back, you can apply for another visa, and assuming it's approved, you can come back in that manner. Okay.